Now, your Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
High temperatures over the next several days will be quite a bit cooler than what we've been used to. A big cool down coming in, but it's not a long-lasting cool down. And so there's a bit of a time constraint. We cool down and then it doesn't last for more than about 2.5 days, and then we start warming back up again. But it will be a pronounced drop-off in temperature. The first cooling has come with the clouds and the showers. That's not the front. The actual front is still just a little bit to the west. It's this line you see right here, kind of moving through northern Wabaunsee and northwestern Shawnee County into southern Jackson County right now. Farther south, more of a steady rain along Interstate 35. Now that cooler air is building in, and as we look ahead, we're going to be looking at temperatures into the 60s over the next couple of days, at least in the afternoon, mid-60s for the high temperature for tomorrow. Definitely a cooler day. In general, what we'll be looking at as those showers continue to move on through is a drop-off when the showers move on through, but it's more after they clear on out that we'll see a more pronounced drop into the days ahead. We've seen the cloud cover hanging around. You can see in Manhattan, mainly cloudy weather right now. Currently in Topeka, cloudy sky as well. Temperature has cooled off down to 69 degrees. Cooler than it's been, but notice the dew point's actually higher than it's been. We are still in the humid air in the capital city, awaiting the front to move in. 72 has been the high, 65 so far has been the low, but we will be cooler than that by midnight because once that front has moved in, some of our western and northwestern counties temperatures have just dropped off after picking up a good third to as much as 82 hundredths of an inch of rainfall. We've had a lot of good soaking rain. Emporia exceeding an inch. You add on that third of an inch of Concordia on top of what they had yesterday, and in many areas exceeding 2 inches of rain. And the cooler air is now building in. Look at those low to mid 50s. Compare that to 60s and low 70s to the southeast. What's happening is this front's pushing through and it's humid on one side, drying behind it as the winds become more steadily out of the north. And that north breeze should last through the night, not fully dropping off on the wind. A light northerly breeze all night into the morning and throughout the daytime tomorrow. What we expect out of this, that northeasterly wind letting up. And it's tomorrow night into early Wednesday that we get into that chilly air, because the wind finally relaxes on the other side of the front. So what's happening now is the front's approaching and pushing through and squeezing out some showers and thunderstorms all the way from just southwest of Wichita on up toward northwestern Missouri. As the front pushes on through the area, a large clearing taking place back to the north and west, and that will settle in the days ahead. So here's how it plays out. Future Track shows the scattering of rain, off and on showers through the evening, but gradually tapering off. Maybe a little bit more rain in the southern counties in the morning, but through the day tomorrow, partial clearing in the first half of the day and full clearing toward the afternoon, and then we stay clear tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. So expect temperatures tonight to start cooling down. I said by midnight we'll probably hit a new low temperature into the 50s, and we'll continue to hold in the low to mid 50s in the morning, but a struggle to warm up, getting us back only into the 60s through the daytime tomorrow. So we'll start about 53 tonight with a scattering of showers. Peak out at 67 with decreasing cloud cover. But when the clouds clear tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, look at that low, 45 degrees. Beautiful day on Wednesday with a high of 70. 49 Thursday morning with 77. And then we start warming back up. Southerly winds return and high temperatures will be back in the low to mid 80s as we head toward the weekend.
I thought we're done with the 80s for October. I was way wrong, Matt.
Yeah, we're done at least for a few days.
Yeah.
We'll say that, and then they'll return. But none of these look to be hot, humid kind of days. Just a pleasant warmth returns for the weekend.
Love it. Thanks so much, Matt. Appreciate it. Well, coming up, researchers say preschoolers